Knock knock. Who's there? Barry. Barry who? Strawberries are expensive, so we're growing our own in that here raised garden bed behind me. Do you guys want to see it? So hopefully the wind sound isn't too bad. It is super windy here in southern Iowa. But right here we have the start of our raised bed. So we have 4x4 posts here. We have 2x8s around the bottom. I made a gate so we can get into it. Now the whole reason I did the gate and everything is to keep the chickens out and any other critters. That's why it's got the hardware cloth. So what I did here is on the bottom is compost from our compost pile. So it kind of looks like a jumbled up mess, but if you remember last year, we had two separate piles. We had a little pile right here, which the chickens have scattered out all of this. That's why it used to be up there in that, and they've scattered it all over. But then we have that pile there. I took a shovel and I kind of sifted through that and got out the good dirt and the clean stuff, and that is what is in the bottom of the strawberry bed. So then this over here to the left is actually dirt that we pulled from, we have a bunch of mole holes in the backyard, and that is dirt from that. And I have in the back of my pickup a bunch of topsoil that I'm going to put on top of this. Now we are going to do, the gate's a little squeaky. We're going to do 2 raised beds. I got lumber for the other one. It's gonna go right next to it. It is going to be for blueberries, and it is going to take a whole different type of soil structure. So if you want to learn about that, subscribe, because that will be the next video. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put soil in this, and then we're gonna plant strawberries in it. I have a stand for my phone to go on. It's so windy that hopefully the audio, or the video, I guess I should say, the video isn't real shaky, but I'll put you on the stand for that. So we got 12 bags of topsoil in here. It filled it up to where I like it. Maybe some areas could be a little bit deeper. I think it will actually probably settle down a little bit over time. So this is probably a good spot for it. So what we have here is strawberries from a garden center. And then we have some, I think they're strawberry crowns. And those we've had for like 3 weeks, and I'm really hoping that they're not bad. I'm not quite sure. We've never done this before. With this bed, it is a 4-foot by 8-foot bed, so we could probably fit even more than what we have in here, but strawberries do run out, so hopefully it will fill in eventually. So I'm gonna get these planted in here. So these are everbearing strawberries. These are Fort Laramie is what these are. And so the other ones, I'm not sure what the crowns, what those are. We've had these for about 2 weeks, and they really need to get in soil. And then I'm gonna water them in once I get them in here. So you don't wanna bury them too deep, just kind of level is what I'm gonna do. And then I'm actually going to put the crowns in between the plants. I'm not sure if that's a good idea to mix strawberry varieties, but that's what I'm going to do. There's actually more than I thought there was, so that's good, as long as they all stay living. So there we have it. We have strawberries planted in the raised garden bed. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm glad that this project is done. We have gotten 3 inches and 3/10 within the last 2 days. And tonight it's supposed to be severe storms again. So I'm hoping that these don't get torn up, but they needed to go in the ground really, really badly. So we got them planted. Thank you guys for watching. Tune in to the next video because we will be making a raised bed for blueberries. So please hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.